Okay. Hi, are you ready? Good morning. Just the last name of your client. Just the last name. With an L?
It is on trial case for next week.
Okay. Dang, again?
I know.
That's okay. I mean, you were great, really. It was a pleasure. Both of you. Are you ready? You want to go?
So Judge stated that we filed a motion for continuance. We just got up an officer, he's a more child and not leave. He's the officer that didn't stop. This is our first motion for continuance. So
What's your position?
I'm not opposed.
Okay, I'll give you one, but I'm not going to give you another one.
Yes,
If
sir.
you're not ready next time, I don't care. We go with or without whoever you need or don't need.
Yes, sir.
Just pick a date, 30 days, and then I'm cool with whatever you want. It's probably gonna have to be in June because,
Yeah, he comes back to the so.
okay, so just whatever day you're cool with. Just file a motion, please, so we have it on file. and then I'll-
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And then one last thing,
Sure.
on that previous trial case, he wanted to appeal. I filed a notice today, usually that's what I need to do.
I don't remember. I think that, yeah, there are several things that you have to do, but I'm not sure. He'll have to post an appeal bond. We'll have to set an appeal bond. He'll have to post an appeal bond. He'll have to,
That would be, or would help.
well, I would set a bond and then, and take a look. There's something else. I forget what it is. The hell is it?
It would be on reserve,
Oh,
but you would need to file your.
yeah, but there's like a presentment or something like that.
He
that
needs to
they're-
follow it.
Right, there's a presentment that they have to do or whatnot.
After you set the bond. Bond. And then she has to follow those with the clerk, and then, I don't know, if they're gonna find it manage it
I
again.
don't know. He'll have to do another financial affidavit.
Yeah.
You know, he'll have to come here. He'll have to do another financial affidavit. At that, when he does that, I guess we'll set the bond and, go from there. And then we'll have to, depending on his application, we might or might not have to appoint him appellate counsel. I don't know.
Right.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Hi. Good morning.
Motion on Mr. Giddens.
Okay.
Please.
Do you mind bringing him up? Was restitution paid? I'm not gonna take it then.
So he's not the one who's accused of actually busting the window. He is basically all parties straight up.
So this.
This, Higgins?
June 16th, or then.
Can you read to me what happened, please? So what about the actual person
So.
who was alleged to?
That he pointed at a rock on the ground, the other person picked it up and threw it at the woman.
Then, Your Honor, defendant was seen pointing out the window and co-defendant striking the window. Sorry, Your Honor. I'm getting ahead a little bit. In video footage, defendant was observed standing by the window holding a wooden stick in his hand as he approached the co-defendant. Defendant was observed holding the stick in two hands and making a striking gesture back and forth while the stick prior to giving it to co-defendant. Defendant was seen pointing at the window and co-defendant striking the window.
Not with the stick.
Was the complaining witness ever made whole?
Your Honor, I did reach out to the complaining witness back in December. They said they were going to send me. They hadn't got the window repaired yet. They said they were going to send me something if they did. And I've never heard back from them.
Do you want to reach out real quick? I just don't think it's fair, you know? It did, so what happened with the codependent?
Taking a look. The code offense case is still pending.
Do you mind reaching out real quick? I don't know. You know, Mr. Haggard, I'm all about trying to dispose of stuff, but what's fair is fair. And if someone broke your window, would you want, you know, really? If someone took one of your most valuable things and kicked the hell out of it and broke it, what would you want? You know, it's just life in life. There's some things that are fair and there's some things that are not fair. And really, just take a seat for me, please. Do not leave. Let me, please. Hi, good morning.
Mr. Speedy, you said that we should be authorized to vote, he doesn't have a vote.
He has to put it on something. He still has, he's driving something.
But we have not done this walk to him. Bottom of 5.
Cruz, come up. You speak English? He has an open felony warrant. Mr. Cruz, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On April 15th, 2026, and this is for Cruz, correct, Judge?
Cruz, correct.
On April 15th, in Harris County, an officer dispatched to a family disturbance. Upon arrival, officer detained an aggressive and combative male suspect, the defendant. Officer conducting Terry frisk discovered a jar in the pocket of the defendant with no prescription and 4.5 bars of Xanax. The defendant advised that it belonged to the temple.
What?
Officers dispatched to a family disturbance and
Great.
detaining the suspect, the defendant. They frisked him for weapons and find a pill bottle with 4.5 bars of Xanax.
Does that mean that anytime there's a disturbance, they can just go up and start frisking and searching everybody? I mean, there's no, what the hell has he done wrong
Understand?
to even justify a search? Really? You just say disturbance and then they start searching.
They were called out to disturbance from the DENS judge.
No. I'm going to find there's no probable cause to go forward with your case, Mr. Cruz. However, you still have an open felony warrant. I have to take you into custody. I can't let you go. What'll happen is at some point you'll hit the felony court and you can talk with them, but I got to take you in. Okay. Just do me a solid and please let's verify just to make sure.
I see it, Judge.
Okay.
But they always call me. Council
And I provide that. This is
Thanks, Sean.
Then Florence, you're heading to you probably see it.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
First thing you should do. Oh, I think it just. Yeah. Because I want to check.
Hey,
The approach,
yeah, just the last name of your client.
Brady Judge. This is the one we spoke about yesterday, that just needed to pay.
Okay,
I was just gonna let you know that they're filing a dismissal. Fee.
Great, okay.
Keep it a few moments.
great. We'll sign it as soon as I get it.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks. Hey, is Mark Metz still here?
The next two cases, you extend the hard.
And he's got to do that's got bond violations on for tomorrow, so I'll just send an email.
González. Ready?
Hey, I'm putting a case on the dock, or I'm sending you an email to put the case on for Monday. The defendant was deported, right? Marcos is attached to it as well, just so that we can deal with it, because it's not set for May, so we might as well just get on with it, you know?
Like where you just on?
Yeah, I'm doing. So Judge, Mr. Jackson. Has an ALR suspension. Has the interlock. And the S-22. I just don't know why it's. Usually that means.
What, is it an open case for them?
No, it was dismissed. He's on felony probation. Just, that's the case number.
Okay, hold on. 259.
1371.
I'm not, no, I'm not comfortable. Yes. Does he have a? Is he
Yeah.
per se?
No, he has a lawyer.
Oh, but that's why Deshaun was here.
Dijon, yes. Victoria, has it been a tear? He just got probation on the 16th
Why doesn't he go upstairs to get the occupation?
because he has the DWI.
I don't
here.
care. I mean,
His DWI is here, and he had two. That's why he came back. Along with the DWI. But that stuff is now passed.
I mean, look, active suspension, the end date is 12/17/26. That's why it's suspended, ALR suspension.
Yeah, but
It
I
should
know it's
be,
ALR, but it doesn't say
what?
why it's not. Usually there's a
It's an
note.
ALR suspension. The ALR had hearing and they suspended his license. You know, he had a DWI that was dismissed. So when you pick up a DWI, you get the ALR. So we probably didn't hire a lawyer.
Okay.
It didn't work out the ALR hearing. And so they.
They just put suspension and
Right.
it's suspended for a year because it's a suspension.
No, a second suspension, a 2-year license suspension. It was a year. I don't understand why it's just a year.
I don't know.
It should be, you know.
What was the first 24? And then he picked up another one in. I don't know.
You know, what my feeling. Yeah, looks like they have to. She probably compared it to more suspension, maybe that's more Smith. So it's just like, just more suspension. I don't know, I guess it's been normal suspension.
Oh, okay.
But unless there's something else with the licenses, his driving record is awful.
Yeah. It's a legislative.
Awful. Oh my God, look at this. Yeah, see, like
I just,
an ALR hearing.
23. We had,
Right.
lines prior to that too.
yeah, I spoke to her yesterday.
Too.
What's on?
Shatori, on Mr. Jackson that's on the docket today, did they do a T-Rans upstairs? Has he started it yet?
We just have this information on the 16th.
That was what?
When does he, do they have it then, a date to start?
He doesn't need a probation officer until May 12th. So I guess you would give him the recalls and the so he doesn't.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I guess I'll talk to Sean. Okay. Do you want a little first?
Yes.
156, and there was one there on Friday for alcohol, but he didn't.
So how many, so while he's on with us or with them? Okay.
That was back in December. In December, he will. It was 61, and then I said, you know, about Mr. Thompson.
Okay, thanks.
Is the bill checking?
Did they do a poppers? For the financing?
Who's the bill?
No, Jacqueline.
No, beyond. Dijon.
Adam, hey, did you get the email about your client Gray? Did you get the email about Mr. Gray?
Yes, which I just saw that.
Oh, you want to put him on for Friday?
Right, so I'll actually be out of town, Thursday and Friday for the conference.
Okay, Monday?
Monday, yes.
Okay, done. Make sure your client gets your Monday, otherwise it gets revoked, okay?
Yes, sir.
And then I'll send you guys an email now, for sure.
Judge, bottom of page one, council says that the law. You know, the defendant wasn't feeling well.
Is the defendant here? Okay. The case gets rolled day for day until it gets handled.
Morning, Judge. How are you?
Hey, hold on, let me cut the live stream. Hold on.
It's not on the document.
What's your cause number?
Cause number is 26-11-4270.
Okay, so you need some kind of bond, something other?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tell me.
Wanted to talk to you about probable cause in this case, and then dependent on your decision after that, also bond conditions.
Okay. Are you ready? Did you get the cause number?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Go for it.
On March 21st, in Harris County, around 1:53 in the morning, officer observed a motor vehicle found to maintain a single lane, weaving between lanes several times as cars passed on striking motor vehicles. Traffic stop was conducted. The defendant, the driver, advised he was coming from Whataburger. SFSTs were conducted 6 out of 6 HDN, 5 out of 8 walking turn, and 3 out of 4 one-leg stand. GIC was read and breath sample was provided, 0.156 and 0.158.
You went directly from pulling over to field sobriety test. Is that what you're,
Yes, Your Honor.
are we to assume that he has, or he slurred speech, odor of alcohol?
They know that the damage judge.
You don't rectify my name. There are no indicators either in the PC or in the offense report. The only thing that the officer does know is that my client had an accent from another country.
Ah, that sucks.
Yeah.
Sean?
So the officer asked where he's coming from prior to Whataburger, and he said he's coming from his home. Asked the defendant what he
Coming from where?
his home.
Home.
Asked if he had been drinking. He didn't say anything, and then he explained that he wanted to administer SFSTs, and then he goes into the SFSTs.
I'm with you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
May I be excused?
Yes, you got it.
Thank you, that cause number, Judge.
You ready?
Okay, I'll see whenever you generate.
26-11-427. Driving while
Right. I understand that.
accentage. Hi, Mr. Smith, you ready?
Good morning, Judge.
Hi, come on up.
Here on Nichols, I was requested from the state to see if we'd be amenable to another date. I, of course, know that this is, when I checked, this is, I believe, 186 days.
Are we set for trial now?
That is, I believe, where we're at. I believe the state is asking for one more reset before it's set for trial.
Why? Are you wanting a setting or does they want a setting?
I've taken a look at the case and everything. I just wanted to talk to the chief about it.
Okay,
Kind of get their opinion on the case.
all right, pick a day next week. I'm not gonna do a long reset. I mean, if you just need to talk to someone, we'll set it, pick a day next week and then we'll come
All
back.
right, I'll do that. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you got it.
And may I have my client's appearance waived on that date?
Yeah,
All right,
yeah.
thank you.
Of course.
Judge, I have one case on the docket today, when you're free.
Hey, Dan, give me one, let me write this down real quick and then
Sure.
I'll help you
Thank
out.
you.
Okay, all right, Dan, just the last name of your client.
Rodriguez,
Okay, you just
Okay,
want to
the-
reset?
yes, we turned in everything. We're just waiting on approval. Yeah, just gonna get a reset on that.
Rodriguez.
Rodriguez.
Raider
The
Rodriguez.
guy.
Oh. Yes, Your Honor, discovery's complete.
Okay. Do you have that they've turned everything in?
So I don't have a note from Kenneth. I do see the application, the mitigation packet in our files.
Okay, great. No, finish.
They provide.
Are you guys ready on Brianna already?
I wanna.
Hey, Sean, look at this driving record. Victoria, bottom of page 26, I'm sorry, top of page 26.
Yes, Judge.
They've turned in the application mitigation packet, discovery is complete. Can we just get a date?
227 days old, 25, so how much?
No, top of page 26.
Yes, the state ended, page 25.
Oh, well, they've turned it in, so I guess a week? Yeah.
House, Wednesday, the 29th.
Next Wednesday, Dan, is that all right?
Yes, Judge, that works.
Okay.
Next Wednesday. Thank you.
Got it.
Okay, all right. Take care. Have a great day.
You too.
Mhm.
Gotcha. Hey, yeah, I'm ready when you are. You ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Rodriguez, come up. I'm gonna bring him up and I'm gonna talk to him and then we'll talk. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. So she was in the PTI program and got kicked out. One day, you're going to look back to this day. It may not be tomorrow. It may not be next week, but damn it, why didn't I get this thing done? You had the opportunity to get this thing dismissed. Now, after today, it will reflect as a conviction on your record. From now on, it's a minimum of 30 days in jail. There are no more proverbial slaps on the wrist. Do you understand? If you get pulled over, officers are going to see this DWI. If they smell alcohol or weed, what do you think is going to happen? It's very possible. I don't know for sure, but all I know is that the more stuff you add to paper, it doesn't get better for you. You understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement and once you plead guilty, this will go on your record. It's there for the rest of your life. Even after you die, it's still there. You understand? Like I said, any more criminal cases you pick up, it's a minimum of 30 days in jail. How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to sentence you to 3 days in jail. I will give you credit for the 1 day that you've done. I'm going to suspend your license for 180 days. Do not drive until you get a license. Good luck to you. All right. CC. Yeah. Mr. Jackson, come up. Do you watch the news, Mr. Jackson? No. Do you really watch the news? Okay. Every single day, and I mean every day, we have someone that's dying on our streets because of either a DWI, a reckless driving, a racing case, something like this, something like that. And it really breaks all of our hearts because literally all you would need is a $30 damn click on your phone to an Uber to get you to take wherever you want to go. It don't matter where you want to go in this life, $30 will get you wherever you want to go. Your driving record is 11 pages long. Yes, it is literally suspension after suspension, DWI after DWLI after DWLI after DWI, after ticket, 11. And the problem is I know that you're going to tell me I'm a changed person. I've done this, I've done that. But paper, stop. Paper tells me who you are. I have everyone here that tells me what I want to hear because of where we are. But how you are on paper tells me the person that you are. You must be in what, your 40s right now. And 11 pages. I'm going to show this to you so you have perspective of what I see. And I have a really hard time giving an occupational license to someone who continually refuses to comply with even the most basic requirement of getting a license and getting insurance. Do you understand? Because if you go out there, I put my name on your license and something catastrophic happens, that's on me. And I have enough trouble sleeping at night as it is. You understand? It's not about the money. I don't care about the money. But this is probably one of the worst driving records that I've seen in a very long time. But I'll make you a deal. You just got on probation. If you go a while, you're in compliance, you have no violations, and you start your treatment program and you're halfway through it and you're in complete compliance with your probation, I will take another look. But I gotta know, it doesn't matter what you say at this point.
I'm saying, I live in Shanghai, and I have no job, and y'all get me a probation officer in Baytown. I have no way to get to the probation officer.
You need to go back to the people upstairs in the felony court and talk to them. That's not my area, but they can tell you everything. But look, when you get on probation, there are quadrants in the city where they put you in. They don't have it in every single place. They probably what I would hope is that they put a place that's most closest to you to make it most convenient for you. I don't know where all the different places are. I have no idea. What I would do is go back, talk to the probation upstairs and see if they can put you at a different location that's closer. I just don't know, but
I had insurance for the last, it was done for the last 15 years.
11 pages. And not only that, while you were on bond for the case here, you had bond violations. That scares me. I have to know if I'm going to put my name on a license for you, that you are in compliance, doing what you're supposed to do, going through treatment. So I know that you're not going to just go out there and start just doing whatever you want to do and screw probation. I'm not going to, no. I get it. Great. Do you remember what I just told you?
I can't get to these places, so it's gonna make me have to drive legally.
See, it now sounds like you're trying to blame it on us. You are. We're setting you up for failure. No. You drive your own bus. In life, there are no mistakes. There are choices. And you make a choice. You either make a good choice or you make a bad choice. And Mr. Jackson, the paper that I have all in front of me still tells me that the choices that you are making are not ones that give me great confidence to give you a license. Do you know what I mean? It's DWI, evading in a car. While we're on bond, we had problems. I'm just not ready yet. It's like when you get married with someone, right? You don't do it immediately. You want to wait a little bit of time. You might want to move in with the person. You might want to get to know them. Maybe they're a slob. Maybe they're just, it's too much trauma. They're just a mass murder. you and I are now in a relationship, okay? And I'm not ready to get married yet. I have to get to know you. I got to know that you're going to do what you say you're going to do, that you're going to comply, that you're going to do the treatment program, that you're going to be successful at this. Not to where, oh man, things are getting tough. Screw it. I'm just going to, who cares?
You've been trying my hardest to make it in life. It's the whole problem is it's gonna make it even harder for me to job, even harder for me to get to.
Because he's not working, we
I'm
come
not
to work.
working out because of, just because of.
I,
most courtrooms,
I'm telling you why I'm not going to do it at this point. If you show me that I can trust you after a while, then we can talk again. I'm not ready to at this point. It's just way too much drama now, and I'm not ready to put my name on a license with all this going on now if something catastrophic happens. Come back. What I would do, like I said, go up to there, talk to them upstairs. Hopefully they will work something out with you. But I'm telling you why I'm just not ready yet. What we can do is I'm prepared to give you your money back. But at this point, it's just, I'm not ready. And I want you to look at this so you see what I'm seeing. Okay? You mind? All right. Thanks, guys. Oh, no, I don't, no. I need him to be, I need him to see how he's doing on that. It is a compliance with probation. Four, six. Council, come on.
Good morning, Judge.
Hey, good morning.
Just gonna motion substitute counsel.
I saw it. I'm gonna grant it for you now.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Yeah.
And also,
Is
there's
it-
court dates actually tomorrow, to see if I can get a reset, just to give you some time to catch up.
Is it a new case?
I.
Let me see.
They hired us yesterday.
Because if it's a case that's set off first setting, then no.
No, it's not brand new, but I'm sorry.
Let me give you the cost number. You ready?
Yes, Judge.
It's 261-5342. On Barrera.
But yes, I believe in remain these. These that they're getting, but we need to go ahead and ask them how many times.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Victoria, on, when he does the reset on his, because it's an off, can you make sure that there's nothing that's needed tomorrow, except for tomorrow, and it's a required appearance, so,
Okay, I'll.
yeah. Counsel, you ready? Please, just the last name of your client.
Rhonda, Your Honor, is off docket. It's set for tomorrow. He's got a felony at the same transaction.
Okay.
Today. We got to reset for 2 weeks. It looks like it's gonna be a restitution package kind of deal to get this one resolved. Hopefully we won't need,
You're the attorney of record, or
Yes, Your Honor.
did you do a motion to sell?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm on this case and on the Pelton case as well.
Got it. Okay, yeah, I mean, it's not a first setting, right?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, yeah, for sure.
Thank you, Judge.
Have fun.
Mr. Burleson is here on.
Got it.
You're ready.
Mr. Burleson, when I told you yesterday that I was going to grant it, I didn't know that it was her. I was thinking it was the other person.
Actually, they're two different.
Right, and so I'm going to read this to you real quick. Let me just finish signing this real quick. So it says here, Ms. Seville was placed in a pretrial intervention program March 20 of 25 for DWI. Ms. Seville stipulated to complete an effective decision-making class and successfully completed the program July 12, 25. Ms. Seville had one high breath test at 5:24 PM. Multiple days of not testing on her interlock device. She did not test on the device on 4/6, 4/7, 4/24, 5/17, 5/18, 6/15, 6/29, 7/14, 7/28, 18, 9/6, 9/15, 9/20, and it goes on and it goes on for the next 3 months.
My understanding is that a lot of those were late out window tests, not true skill.
Okay, I don't know that. All I know here is that there's a boatload. Community supervision officer addressed Ms. Seville testing compliance on 6/4, 8/13, 9/24, 11/25, 12/10, and then even in January of this year. They would remind her to test appropriately on her device, or if she needed help, community supervision would offer help to her. On 8/13, so my point is that I don't know how much faith I have in she's going to comply with our requirements. You know, if she wouldn't even do it here where the case will get dismissed, who's to say that she's going to comply with this? You know, here, I really have no recourse. And is she here now? Miss Seville, come up. Did you hear everything that I told the other gentleman? I know that you're going to tell me it's little bunnies jumping in the woods and rainbows and gumdrops and lollipops but paper tells me who you are, tells me what's going on in your life, how you treat the court system, how you regard us. And the problem is if I grant you an occupational license, I put my name on it and something out there happens and it's catastrophic, something of which you cannot ever take back, it's my name on that license. And I don't want to have to deal with that. We literally have a death on our streets every single day. It's disgusting when all you need is a phone, an app, and $20 to $30 to your name, and you get a ride wherever you want to go in this life. It's a geographical oddity because it's always $20 to $30 taken. This tells me how and what to expect if we give you an occupational license. Do you understand? And I have a problem with that. One of the other things is when we grant an occupational license now, you are required to attend treatment. And the treatment is such that you must do whatever the TRAS says. Here it says intensive outpatient treatment and supportive outpatient treatment. None of that occurred while you were even in this program. You would have to do the exact same thing if I were to grant you a license here. You want another chance? I will make you a deal. If you do enter into and complete half of the intensive outpatient treatment, you come back and show me that you have done half, then I would consider. But I'm not going to give it to you now and hope and wish and pray that it gets done. This world is about proof. If you don't have proof, you ain't got anything. And I'm not ready to put my faith in it just now. It really doesn't matter what you say. The paper tells me everything. Do you understand? I will make you a deal. She gets into the intensive outpatient treatment program, completes half of that portion, then,
Understood. I'll get the rest of.
you know, the other thing I need to do is I need to know that she's not drinking. And I don't know. I don't know how that happens, but, you know, we don't work on blind faith here. We just don't. Every time we deviate from that, we pay for it dearly. I promise, every time we deviate from what is ordered here, we pay for it dearly. And I just don't need any more drama in my life. So there it is. She enrolls, bring me proof, half of the IOP is completed, then we'll,
I'll get the list
Yeah.
of providers.
okay. All right. Good luck, man. Thanks. So Clyde, if you want to reset for how long ever you ever want, so she doesn't lose the money, I'm happy to do it. If you want to reset it, 3 months or whatnot, then go for it.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Next.
Hi. Is he there?
Yes.
Great. Okay, I'll grant your motion and then we'll appoint someone.
Here on.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, please. What time are you leaving? Yeah, you don't have to ask. Hi, you don't have to
Thank you
ask.
so
Just,
much for having us.
just,
We were actually expecting to go to Judge Peoples to observe the
Yeah.
assault charge.
what time?
So, anytime, well, we wanted to go in next week.
You want to go now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me go.
Thanks. I didn't know that.
Let me just real quick, 2 seconds.
Yes.
I know that you guys were calling in an Ethiopian interpreter for Mrs. Suleimani. Just wanted to verify she wasn't on Zoom, that's all.
Oh, maybe she is. I have someone here I didn't recognize. Maybe this is her.
I can come back in my 5 minutes to the building, but I have to tell them it's time to get to do a I know you're heading out.
Are you doing a plea?
Consent, yeah, they have to write it, the handwriting consent. So I'll tell them it's about handwriting and then I'll come right back.
Okay, hey, the interpreter, is it a Miss Justina? Yeah, does that sound familiar? Okay, go. I'll let him in. Counsel, come on up. Hi, what's up?
I'm here on Austin, the
With an N?
yes.
Okay,
So I spoke with the state, his issue with his license, the state confirmed to me that the going to Smith because his license.
sure.
He has to go out to Paramount, Texas, so if we can get a photo.
You're at 190 days old now. I mean, this should have been done a long time ago. Ms. Nucci, come up. I'm not going to give you a long time, but I'll give you some time. Come up. Your case is 191 days old. We set cases for trial at 180 days. I am giving you a 2-week plea deadline. In 2 weeks, you must be back and you must either accept the plea bargain agreement or I'm going to set your case for trial. That is the last reset you get here. Do you understand? So you need to do whatever you got to do within that time. If not, you will be put to trial. Okay, 2 weeks, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Got it. Miss Justina, are you our translator?
Yes, I am, sir. I'm sorry. I didn't realize that I was muted.
Ma'am,
My name is Justina Mdobilo, and I'm your Swahili interpreter for today.
okay, just give me about 5 minutes. I'm waiting for the lawyer to come back and then we'll address it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am, thank you. We should have, I don't know what time, because they really see what's going on, but I know that you guys about to have a month. That is fun. You know, oh, man, it's great, yeah.
Usually Mondays, one of the so gives the exchange, so I'm sure that.
Yes.
All the way.
Yeah, he did that. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Hey, guys, there's candy too on your way out.
Okay, I'll do that. So I think it's a.
No, right, you want to go right there? You take a picture right over here. No. Not that gross, they also put that gross spicy, oh, come on, man, I know, gross.
So I can see the judge back. There you go.
Oh.
Mr. Esau, who would come? Y'all can still fine. There you go. How about a task of keto with your? Okay, so thank you.
Thank you, guys, take care.
Thank you, Ron.
Yes, Miss Sarah, good luck upstairs.
Thank you so much.
Marco,
Judge, how are you?
ready? Hey, bud.
Hello.
Hey, good morning.
This is on Anderson, Judge.
Anderson.
I think he wanted to get a job. I think.
Okay, what's he doing?
He got a job. He starts on the first, solution center where, so
Great.
$80 an hour, not bad.
Okay,
That should work.
yeah, we'll give you a reset.
All right, thank you, Judge.
Thanks, bud.
Yeah, for the order, I'll be back.
They're not.
No, okay, yes.
Anderson, not sure, just so we can reset that stuff.
Objection. I feel on both cases. That's the reason.
I'm sorry, I didn't.
Well, that's easy. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I need that. Make sure you're just make sure.
Hey, guys, ready? Hey, what's up? Just the last name of your client.
Mr. Lowe.
Lowe?
Lowe.
Okay.
Judge, it's a PTI case. She got everything in. It's just right now the cost is what's kind of killing her with the interlock and the DMV. I was told.
DA fee, you don't have to pay it immediately.
Somebody said like she could pay it on the back.
No, I think that
Somebody
it's,
said another thing. So I
they
was gonna-
told me it's within 10 days of you entry, but I don't know that for sure.
Okay.
But I know that you don't need to pay it to enter the
I
interlock.
wasn't gonna advise her of that just because I wasn't clear with it, but I could let her know that and just focus on doing the interlock at first. I mean, money's just.
You know, email Mr. Henry, see what
Yeah,
he says.
That's what the state's on.
But the problem is your case is 190 days old. I'll give you 2 weeks, but at the 2 weeks, if she don't have it done, she's going day for day.
That's all I just.
Got it.
Perfect.
Okay, my friend. Take care.
You too.
Hi, good morning. Just the last name of your client, please. Okay, yeah, we'll just give you a reset, whatever you want. Yeah. Sure, have fun. Wow, Mr. Jaworski. Great to see you. It's been a while.
I'm here too. All right. Years ago.
Sorry to hear about that.
Anyway, guys coming out tomorrow.
Okay,
And it's, well, it's not supposed to be on its way. We're still waiting on the discovery on it.
how old is
And
it?
I just wanted to see if I could get a couple of weeks. We got a murder trial set Friday, so we can pick a jury on too.
How old is your case though?
He said it's pretty old, so I don't know the exact.
What's your cause number?
Case number is 259-2415. It's Villa Real. And I know all the discoveries not in. I know the state has some discovery in them, but not everything.
Yeah, you're at 180 days. How much time do you want?
Just 3 weeks, or maybe the 13th of May or something like
So,
that.
but here's the, well, let me see how far that is. That's 1, 2, 3, 1, 3. Fine, but at that day, we need to know what you want to do. So it's either plea or trial. If you want to do the PTI program, it must be submitted by that time. Not, okay, we want to do PTI now. No, it's got to be submitted, everything. Did you take a look?
Yes, Judge. The discovery's in.
Yeah, but are they approved? Do they need a mitigation package?
So I don't have any approval note from the chief or anything like that.
Is there an accident? Is it above a 15?
Not that I know of.
No judge, no accident, but it was important.
0.18. You're gonna need a mitigation packet. Okay,
I'll let them-
so 3 weeks, hey, on his 3 weeks, if they want PTI, it's all gotta be submitted.
Thank you.
Okay. Alan, she's here.
Oh, she's in the Zoom.
She's in the Zoom.
Okay.
What do you guys want to do?
I need to speak with her. I cannot communicate. I need mitigation.
So-
Need the Zoom. I can Zoom in.
Yeah, just do Harris County Court's Zoom link and then it'll pop in. And then I'll put you guys in a breakout.
Oh, this, okay, got it.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can put you in a breakout room. That way you guys can talk together and she can translate.
Okay. That's perfect. Thank you.
Okay, Ms. Justina, the lawyer is going to Zoom in and then I'm going to put you guys in a breakout room, okay?
Okay,
The client is unable to communicate with him because he speaks, I guess, Swahili.
yes,
Okay?
okay.
Okay, bear with me 1 second. As soon as they get in, then we'll do it.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Counsel, just the last name of your client.
It's gonna be Carter, Judge.
Okay?
It's, we filed a motion with Ron.
I know.
Put her on probation. She is not hired as a agent.
Got it. Okay. Yeah.
It should be in your queue. If you need to go.
Yes, no, I got it. Yeah, is she here? Carter?
No, Judge, she called and said she had no right.
Okay, SFDF tomorrow. Okay, done.
Okay, Judge.
Yes.
He's certified.
I'm looking for the border from Mr. Marcus Jackson, who's in July.
They want to reset it?
Okay,
Okay, let me make sure that,
says he'd rather just withdraw it.
is that, can they get their money back by
Yeah,
doing that?
withdraw and get their.
Got it, okay.
So I put that order in review and one sign it and I'll print
Yeah.
out a copy so they can take it to customer service.
Got it, done.
He's fine.
Yeah.
Can I give you a cause number real quick? 252-7810.
Kelly?
Another BVR.
Yeah. I can look at you, try and see those you know, you can do something with that. Yeah. Yeah, like, I'm not taking.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, I see you in that. What was the other day, walking Lowe's and just says, tell you, yeah,
It's so hard to get someone to talk to over there. It's ridiculous.
yeah,
I mean, and I'm not gonna go to the other place.
yeah. Like, when will they, and I was like, give them staying, they asked, hey, I'm looking for this kind of screws, love the guy, was like, well, I'm in the paint department. Like, great.
I went there this morning actually because the other day my kid using the sink goes whack like this and the thing right? So I need to get a new sink and I go there today. The selection is,
Yeah,
I mean, really, just,
Amazon, Bill.com, whatever.
this is why brick and mortar goes, because they don't have it. Amazon, I can get it tomorrow.
Yeah, you can.
I mean, it's
It'll be
ridiculous.
on your front door.
Just,
Now you can just.
yeah, just crazy.
Get the installer delivered too. All right, I'll see you around.
Have fun.
Bye. Thanks again.
And the other ones?
Can I get your break down? I mean, you write that again. Just let our current exception. I'm starting to make sure that it's. One second. Okay, finish right.
Maybe approach her.
Yes. Thanks. All right, good morning, Mr. Driggs.
Morning,
Sir, you're charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they're offering you a 1-year deferred adjudication. This is a type of probation that if you complete successfully, there are no convictions on your record. Let's take a look at Mr. Driggs. What happened in the assault?
Look it up right now, Your Honor. On the assault, complainant advised that while pulling into his driveway, his car got stuck and rubbed the ground. Defendant exited his residence yelling / insulting him, later walked up behind him and struck him on his left wrist as he turned around with his hands raised. Before saying, quote, I know what time you leave for work and return from work. I can kill you. I'm going to kill you. Complainant advised he felt pain.
Has he been in custody since January?
No, Your Honor. He's been in custody since I was appointed up about 2 weeks ago. Right.
Yeah, it looks like there was a bond violation report that was filed in May. And because of the dead battery, we revoked the bond and he's been in custody ever since. Give me 1 second. Let me set these guys up and in a room. All right, Alan, I'm gonna need you guys to accept the room, okay? Let me see, how do I do this? You really think that, is this a good idea, Mr. Driggs? Did you have any other offers on this?
Yes, sir.
What else?
There was a probation offer prior to the deferred offers.
Is that it?
Yes, Your Honor.
The thing is this, Mr. Driggs, is that we had problems. I mean, even in the short time that you were on bond, now you'll be on paper for an entire year. Not only that, if we file a motion to revoke, you are facing another year in jail. That means no alcohol, no dope, no contact with any complaining witnesses, no weapons, no new cases. Are you sure that this is what you want to do?
And Judge, I would just note that, Mr. Driggs has, voluntarily signed himself up for a drug rehab treatment program. So I understand that some of the impetus for, this, offense were, some addiction issues that he was going through.
Why did we not do a TRAS beforehand? You know? I think that from now on, whenever there's something where we're going to do a deferred like this, we should probably do a TRAS first. That way they know what they're getting into. You know, one of the things that you have to do here is that you are going to have to do a TRAS. This is an evaluation to see what conditions you need. If they assess any condition, you are expected to comply. That may very well be inpatient treatment. How much credit does he have? If you don't mind.
That's what it's.
It's 20 days credit.
Judge,
It's up to you. If you want to take it, if you want to, what I would suggest is probably do a TRAS first to see what they're going to suggest for him to do, so he knows full well. Because if he goes in flying blind and then they go, okay, well, we expect inpatient treatment, you know,
yes, sir.
you tell me.
If I could just step down for.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's be real here, you know. No. I understand what you say you can do. Paper tells me who you are. How many times you have had contact with us, with the criminal justice system, really tells us a lot. And probation is not easy. It's long, it's expensive. There's a ton of stuff that you have to do, community service. You'll have to do tests all the time. At a minimum, because of everything, you'll probably have to do intensive outpatient treatment, which is around 4 to 5 times a week, that you're going to have to go report to someone to do classes for at least, how long? Is it 3 hours a time?
Yes, sir.
So for 4 to 5 weeks, for 4 to 5 times a week, you will probably have to do classes where they're around, give or take around 3 hours a day. It's intensive. And that's if they say outpatient, where they may say inpatient. I don't know. I would suggest probably, let's do a TRAS so that you know what you're getting into. So you don't go out there and then you're, oh man, I just signed up for the worst thing in my entire life. Do you have a car? It's up to you. Let's do this. I don't want you to make a decision now. Talk to Adam. If you still want to do it, I'm more than happy to do it. But if there's a problem,
I was there, like I said, y'all are on. I took,
but I don't want to talk about the case. Don't talk about the case. I'm just talking about this chances of success and whether you want to do this or not, because it's not a joke. It's not a game. No drugs, no alcohol. Okay. You still want to do this or you want to?
So we could just sit down because, I've been talking over.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have any other alternate offers that you can do? I guess you guys talk and let me know. Hey,
I heard back, this is the criminal.
yeah.
I heard back from the complainant, he said he still hasn't gotten this fixed.
Did you ask, does he have the money to get it fixed?
just do a hotel, Judge.
Yes, yeah, it was a motel, your owner was a business. He said he was gonna send me estimates. I said to send them as soon as possible and have not heard back from him. He said he did get an estimate on it. But I haven't received anything from him. It was the second time I've asked him to send me something and he didn't.
All right. Agreeing up. Let's get it done. Did I? Okay.
Yeah, but they're.
Mr. Giggins, you're charged with criminal mischief. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 1 day that you've done. This conviction will now go on your record as a minimum of 30 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. Do you understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witness to protest on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Do you understand? How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to send you to this agreement. If you come back, do you understand? All right. Good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks. All right, Mr. Acker.
Matt,
Hi, Owen. What's up?
good morning, Judge.
Good morning to you.
Cases on the docket.
Just the last name, please.
BK, BUQUE.
Okay?
That is a DWI case,
It's not too old. You want another reset?
yes, because we had blood back that's .03 and they requested a toxicology screen, so we'll wait on that.
You're getting old.
I understand.
Okay? So by the next time, I need to know what you want to do, whether you guys want to do PTI or not, or whether you want to. So are they approved?
What was the name, Judge? I'm sorry.
Duque.
BUQUE.
Wow.
Obviously with the .03 blood, I can't imagine they wouldn't be.
Mr. Bell, you got my email?
Oh, I get it. I haven't filed application yet.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
I mean, you still got some time. Don't worry about
We would see.
it. Yeah. Okay. Who's next?
The other one I had is Roman, Canadian.
Got it. Okay.
It's a DWI case.
They're all DWIs.
We were here a couple of weeks ago. We've got a restitution issue, which the state has followed up on. They determined that the victim is out $719. What I want to do is we want to pay that restitution. And then they're going to let us go to a time served.
I'm down.
But it's going to take about a month to get $719 together.
Okay.
So. if we
I'm okay with
for a
that.
Plea for a month,
Yes. But at that point,
we're done.
it's
We
say your prayers, huh?
No, we will.
All right. Have fun. You got it. Counsel.
Yes, sir. Back on the Swede.
Okay.
Apparently, this was UWI.
Correct.
Mr. Swede was ordered to have the license.
Correct.
He had indicated that,
He drove a car. He picked up the DWI. Got to put the interlock on whatever car that he was driving. I'm not going to take his word for it. Sorry.
apparently said that, I guess, wife, instructing him, so.
I don't care. He got to put it on. It's a DWI second. He's got to put it on the car. Sorry. Okay. Thanks.
Whatever, I guess, brought out some type of proof that.
No, he's picked up a DWI. There's a car in his life. whatever car that he was driving, he's got to put it on the interlock. He's got to put an interlock on. Because I've found more people driving and they say, no, he's got to put it on. Sorry. Hey, Rick.
Hello, Judge. How are you?
I'm not happy with this case.
Neither am I, Judge. Neither am I.
What are we doing with Mr. Alfage?
It looks like the felony cases have been set for trial, Judge, in June. So I requested that they dismiss this misdemeanor. It's companion to the evading arrest up there. And,
Hold on, I can't hear you at all.
oh, I'm sorry, Judge. Let me get a little closer. My voice is not working too well. Our misdemeanor here is a companion to the evading upstairs, but they're going to trial on both of those, or they're both set up there sometime in June. And so I requested that they dismiss the misdemeanor. And in the past, they were checking into it, but nothing's ever come of that. But and use the
Did
misdemeanor.
you say they set up for trial upstairs?
Yes, they did, Judge.
Okay, so
It said,
do you want to set this one for trial as well, or what would you like?
well, I've got a feeling, Judge, that they will dismiss this one and use the charge as.
I'm not, yeah, your case is nearly 300 days, Rick, and then now it's going to go another, 80 days? No. I
No.
can't,
Okay, that's fine,
it's just
Judge.
too much.
We can set it. We can put a trial date on it, Judge. That's okay. We can do that and see what happens before then.
Alfage, come up.
I believe there's a time served offer on this one, which he didn't want to accept it at this point, but that
I
may,
don't like to play games. I have enough drama in my life. I don't like it. And I'm happy to set it for trial for you, but I'm going to tell you, if we set it, we will go. Today, here's your plea bargain deadline. Your case is 290 days old. We set cases for trial at 180 days. It doesn't matter to me whether you want to set it or not. It's no skin off my back, but I'm going to tell you now, if you set it, we will go. I will not accept any more plea bargain agreements on the day of trial, nope. If we set it, you will go. I don't want you to make a decision now. Please step out. I'm going to have you contact your lawyer. I would like you guys to make an informed decision on what you want to do. You must either today accept the plea bargain agreement. If not, I'm happy to set it for trial for you. What agreement have you offered, Mr. Alfage? Rick said it's time served. Is that
I
correct?
thought it was time served. I'm not sure.
I don't know if that's a felony. We don't have one because we've been talking to felony to work out something, but.
Can you put an offer right now, please?
Yeah. How would this affect?
That's a question that I cannot answer. That's a legal question that your lawyer can tell you. But that's something that, we have had you for plea trial since January. I'm not waiting anymore. So I'm going to have you step outside. Do you have your lawyer's phone number? Okay, I'm gonna have you step outside. What offer are you making on the case now?
It would be a time served judge.
They've offered you time served on this case. I'm gonna have you step outside, you talk with your lawyer, you guys make a decision on what you want to do, and then come back and then let me know. Either accept it or we will set the case for trial. But like I said, if you set it, you will go. Please. Thanks.
I'll talk to him, Judge.
Thank you, Rick.
I'll get back with you.
Okay, take your time. There's no rush. Alan, do you need to go back in the room?
Yes, Your Honor, I've never been able to get in. I sent you.
Say that again?
I have not been able to join, Your Honor. I keep clicking join breakout room and every time keep staying in your general chat. I have not spoken with the translator.
Okay, accept the invite to room 2. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, Judge, may I-
Go on. Yes.
Your office on Rivera Acosta, I can give you the card number,
All right, what is it?
2605-461. She also has another case, Judge. She's here in the audience. There are warrants issued on both cases that she'd like to turn herself in and take care of her case.
Do you mind bringing her up?
You're being.
By the way,
So. No, she can go ahead and, yeah. The last time she came here, she was. Yeah, she was.
She wants to work on the pleading herself outside of the system. So I'd like to just have the state evaluate.
Yeah, absolutely. Do you want to do a TRS right now? Because we can get it done expedited within the next, I mean, today's. What do you think so?
Are you requiring it today?
No. I'm saying, I mean, it's a second. We know that there are issues. Ultimately, I mean, it's probably something that might happen down the road.
I understand, Judge.
You don't have, if it's up to you. If you don't want to, then don't.
I'm going to your ask, please, Judge.
Okay.
I'd like to take care of the cases and then let her rehabilitate herself outside of her family friends. However, she wants to pursue that herself. I just don't want her to be some longer and then be responsible for any of their bond with the sheriff.
Okay, whatever you want.
Judge, right now, her bond is at 5,001. Can we lower that? She can't make this at all. She couldn't even give me an amount that she could make. I don't have a to make $1,000, but I'm requesting the lowest possible one.
I'll give you 2,501 on each.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yeah. So she on the DWI second and then the PCS, 2,501 on each.
Yeah.
Thank you, Judge.
Have you seen one? Okay. So, yeah, we talk.
Okay, thank you.
Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Come on up,
You can approach.
please.
Morning, Judge.
Hi, good morning.
Here, it's an extradition case, and really more than anything, kind of want to do a status update and might need the court to maybe help Montana in terms of understanding some things.
Sure. What's the last name?
Last name is Malcolm. First name is Dalen.
Shall we go ahead and just bring him out?
I appreciate it. I really sure.
Okay, Go for it.
So, just bring him up to speed. He likes to talk judge, but also there's.
He likes to what?
He's a talker judge. but
A talker.
there's also some trust
Aren't we all?
As well. There's some trust issues here, so essentially what happened was he pled out to a case up in district court, pled from a felony stalking down to a misdemeanor harassment. But the problem is there is a clerical error on the judgments where he wasn't given any prior credit for his jail time. He was on 430.
What?
This is where I disagree with the assessment.
Okay.
When you look at the judgment, he was given 24 days, and which would have been a time served at 8 days times 3 upstairs. And contacted his felony attorney to say, hey, Sam, you finally got a time served, that when the clock would be started, before it could come over and serve you a month. The problem is that the judgment was incorrect, so he's filing a non-pro.
Not, yeah.
It has
uh-huh.
not been filed yet, from what I can tell from this, it hasn't been accepted yet.
When did you do the plea? Dude, it's
13.
So this is where I politely disagree with counsel. The judgment does say 24 days. I spoke with the felon chief up there. There's no issue with the judgment itself, which is why I don't believe the numbers are proper. What is possibly incorrect is how the jail credit was applied to his spin, which is a different problem because that's how the sheriff's office applied the judgment, which is correct. No one is debating that the 24 days is wrong. They're debating on how the 24 days apply because as the court knows, it wasn't always 3 for 1, before it was 2 for 1. It depends on how it's processed. And so.
well, all that's up to the sheriff.
Right.
As far as 2 for 1, 3 for 1, 4 for 1, 10 for 1.
So that's the distinction here is because there's no issue with the judgment. He agreed to 24 days, he received 24 days. How it's applied is a different problem. As it stands.
Should the judgment reflect the credit?
Well, no, because the credit is a separate part. And there are different provisions on how credit is counted, especially in terms, well, this is largely decided. But
don't we normally put credit on a judgment?
not always. No. We can put the language in there for time
Put
served.
credit on a judgment? I thought we
can.
do.
Well, I think
Not all the time.
denying pretrial credit means a lot.
But,
We do, but maybe other courts don't.
well, so and I could go into a rabbit hole on how the time, because there's a whole separate section on how time is credited. But again, no one is disputing the amount of days that's on the judgment. Because no one's saying 24 was wrong, it's supposed to be 23, et cetera. So separate issue. So how it was counted against the spin is it ended on the 20. And so obviously the differential for 7 days,
Sure.
when it actually shows the hold lifted, that's when our sheriff's office notified them and they immediately got to work. I spoke with both their sheriff's office and their DA's office, and they're ready for the original time within the 14 or 15 days as allotted from the 20 or 21st was when they happened. So the original pickup date would be by the 5th, the court date being the 6th. If it is as applied from the 20th when the release was.
That's beyond our scope of anything. Like I have no control on any of that. And I'm assuming Mr. Kim here tells the demanding jurisdiction the day for pickup ends this day because that's when the system reflects that.
Because the issue is if this court finds that he's clawed back to 7 days, then the last day for.
No, but I can't, how can I possibly do that?
In terms of, well, that's why I want to make sure everyone's on the same page.
I'm gonna go what the system says because I can't possibly go on what they say or what if I'm wrong? What if they're wrong?
I agree, Judge. I'm
So-
going off the felony defense counsel's saying that it was agreed on, because when he took the plea, his whole basis was, this is a time served, let's get me back to Florida. And that tracks with what the defense counsel said. So, yeah, 24 days was there, but 24 days is usually because it's 8 times 3.
So really the 14 days started running on the 21st, which was yesterday versus the,
Well, arguably, my argument was, if everything had worked according to plan, it would have started working on the 13th.
yes, right.
Which would be Monday would be the 27th. That's so.
I don't, you're gonna have to argue, or not you, but the lawyer on the case is gonna have to go argue with them about what and how and when and.
But I want to shore it up here because even assuming that, the 7 days are clawed back, I would I would reflect that in an extension request because of his history and with what he's charged with.
And I would probably end up granting it just because it's through no fault of their own.
Right,
You
and
know?
that's why I want to get everything on the same page. Also, I also want to, in case I do need to make a bond argument, which I don't even know if you can pay a bond. I spoke with his mom,
It's
but
not,
is understood, Judge, but the door's still there.
do you want me to bring him out so we can explain
If
it?
you please, if we can. He didn't
Malcolm.
give something shady going
Yeah,
on.
for sure.
I
Let me
trust.
talk to them real quick so they don't have to wait.
I'll stand. I get it.
Hey, hi, Lakin.
It's just Miranda.
Okay.
The pretty old, but the state offered the PCI today, so I just need to do that. It's
Um,
class in 10 hours.
Oh, Lord.
Because he forfeited.
Yeah, I'm not gonna reward him I'm not gonna give him that much time. I mean,
Okay,
well,
give him
2
a
weeks.
time.
Yeah, 2 weeks. If
Thank you,
it's
Judge.
not done in 2 weeks, it is day for day. Let him know. Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
yes, ma'am. Hi, Robert. Great to see you, man. It's been a long time. How are things?
Back in Harris County, I was out at Fort Bend for a while, but.
Huh, are you still with the same
Left the firm
guy? Are you on your own now?
with Vincent Pang, I'm not sure if you, he was here last while, a long time ago.
Maybe if I saw him.
Yeah, so it's just me and him now.
Okay, well, good.
Fort Bend and Harris.
Who you got? Just last name.
It's an off-docket matter, Judge.
Give me a second. What's your cost? What is it?
It's 260.
Okay.
7183.
Sasabi.
Mr.
Sasabi.
Joseph, Joseph.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay, I see it differently, but yes, I see it.
So he has an assault with a cause case and an injury to a child case. I assume to know your response. Oh. sorry.
Yeah, well, what would you like?
We want to see if the language is modified. CW wants to be able to have contact with him. They've done a rip call and many states need to do a rip call down here. But essentially she's recanting saying.
I get it. Do the rip, find out how serious it is, and then we'll talk. He's got court on 528. Just come back whenever you're ready, then let me know, and then we'll talk. I would have to really dig deeper. There's an assault, there's an injury to a child. That kind of really scares me,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thanks, Robert. All right, coming up, Mr. Malcolm. Good morning, sir. So, your lawyer has let me in to know that there's I guess, a snafu with your case. I don't know what happened. Essentially, what we do here is we go what's on record as far as in the computer system and how everything reflects in the system. You were eligible for pickup when all holds were released, which according to the system was on the 21st of this month, which was yesterday. So we give Florida 14 days from yesterday to come pick you up. If they don't come get you within the 14 days, Harris County releases you. We don't have to do 14 days. We do it as a courtesy just because our jails are packed to the gills and it's something that's gone on for the last 30 years. So we honor it here, but we don't have to. Statutorily, we can give them 30 days to come pick you up. That said, your lawyer here is saying that there may have been some kind of snafu upstairs with credit and whatnot. I don't know any of that. I have no idea. All I know, the system reflects the 21st and that's what we go on. Even if there was a problem and they backdate it to whatever it was, it would not be fair to try to hold me to them to the same standard. And what they would do, my feeling is they would probably ask for an extension for Florida to come pick you up, which I would probably grant just because there were so many, I guess, errors everywhere. Do you understand? What does he want it for?
He's wanted out of Leon County for 4 charges: burglary of a structure, criminal mischief over $1,000, possession of burglary tools, and attempted burglary of a structure.
Not only that, you've got the 4 charges out there. Your history here reflects you were charged with a felony, what was it? A felony stalking, false alarm. You've got a gun case, criminal mischief, violation of protective order, trespass, violation of protective order, 2 felony assaults. I'm sorry, a felony assault, misdemeanor assault, and 2 other cases. I don't think it would be appropriate to give you a bond. Mind you, all those within the last 2 years. I don't think that it would be appropriate to set you a bond. Do you understand? Well, I will let your lawyer explain it to you. But essentially, you scare me, Mr. Malcolm, and I don't think it would be appropriate to give you a bond. Within the last 2 years, you've picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I haven't been to Harris County since 2022, that's 4 years ago.
Okay. Well, here you have 2 cases from 2026 here in Harris County. And then you have 4 open cases, which are pretty dangerous in Florida. Due to all that,
It's a bit of the I got a misdemeanor harassment.
I understand that they got pled down. But nevertheless, 9 cases in 2.5 years or 2 years, whatever it may be. And then you've got 4 charges in Florida. It's just way too much drama for me. I don't think it would be appropriate to set you a bond.
So what about on my part where I signed for the harassment charge? For them to tell me that my time was gonna start on the 13th, then y'all backdoor, make it seem like I ain't get my time credit to the 20th.
So that's
Y'all
what,
just let it Florida, no, I'm saying give more time to come get me.
that's what,
Only reason why I copped out for that, because I wanted my time to start on the 13th.
I get it. We have no control over how the sheriff does the credit. It's up to the sheriff how much credit.
The judge told me that my
So-
time was served that day that I signed.
So what we'll do is I can set your case off for a couple days and have your lawyer here reach out to your felony lawyer to see what they can do to try
They're
to
gonna stop my
work it
time
out.
from Florida to come get me.
No. No. They have 13 days left to come get you though.
Like 12 now.
No.
The 20th.
What day did he waive?
Well, that was beforehand because that was pre-hold, but he waived.
Oh, so he waived beforehand.
It was on the 10th before the.
Got it. You were eligible for pickup. I mean, all the holds that you had were released on yesterday, the 21st.
I'm telling you, the 20th. The 20th.
It carries to the next day. Your hold, your time was done on the 20th. So on the 21st is when the hold is done. That's when
So
the
why-
time
why-
starts
why the
running.
lawyer from the felony court telling me that it was over. on
I
13th?
cannot, I mean, I can't possibly tell you what he, I don't know. I wasn't there. I don't know.
Don't you got the paperwork to prove that?
That's it. That's what I told me. She's gonna file that. So then, you're saying, even with that, filing it, does get extended. So now the date doesn't change. That's not gonna change nothing.
And I can't get no bond for it.
No, I'm not gonna set you bar. It's just way too much drama.
I was on the ankle, but I ain't never ran on every point that.
Got it. Nevertheless,
All
in 2 years, you've picked up
them cases were dismissed. I never got
14
a-
cases,
I only got,
13, whatever it may be.
I only got a misdemeanor conviction. I've never got a felony conviction.
Okay, regardless. Nevertheless,
I appreciate you.
yeah. Okay. Thanks.
I'll be right back. There.
Actually,
You good? You ain't got it from
I figured
the.
out what I can say it, right? I figured out what happened, getting it back. Getting signed paper. I'm not the way for the warrant, that's why the time didn't count.
Who didn't sign what warrant?
For the felon case, so that's.
Are you somebody that didn't sign the 2B?
Or, hold on, and I'm not sure yet, but I'll know. There you get it.
Anyways,
Uh,
okay, tell me.
Judge, we reached a new agreement. It'll be a time served on both business and your cases.
Are you sure you want to do this? It's up to you. You can still do the probation you want, if you want, but it's a lot of stuff. You know you better than anyone else in this life. I know that you can tell me this, you can tell me that, but you know you better than anyone else, you know, really.
That you offer me on, but I would like to take the time to.
Okay, I'm happy to do whatever you want to do, just perception is reality, my friend. You know what I mean? Right. Of course. So Mr. Driggs, you're charged with assault bodily injury. You've worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail with all the credit that you've got. As part of this agreement, your second case is going to be dismissed, right?
No, you're right. The new agreement will be a time served on both.
On both. Okay. What is the other one?
Terrorist.
Okay, so you're charged with both cases. You're pleading to both cases. They will go in your record. You now will be facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for any of these new type of cases that you pick up. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, there's no change of this or undo this. This is what you want to do. Now, how do you plead to the both offenses, the assault and the terroristic threat? I will find you guilty. I'm going to follow the agreement. We will sentence you to it. Good luck, Mr. Driggs. We wish you the best, man. Okay? All right. Take care. Thank you, Adam. Was there another set of them? Oh. Okay. Hi, Mr. Bell.
No, all.
Okay.
We'll worry about that.
Well, look, you know, I remember when I was a baby lawyer, someone used to tell me a continuance is as good as an acquittal for as long as it lasts. Just go. I feel you. Oh, yeah. Hall.
So, Mr. Hall was on run out of this court.
Okay.
And was arrested for.
Oh, right. Okay. What do you want to do?
So, I have contacted my mother.
Okay.
And I got a deal with the state for, alternative resolution to go to the Harrison.
Wonderful.
My mother
I'm
is
down.
going to come and pick her up with release instructions.
Done. Okay. Yeah, let's do it. I'm down. Let her know that this is it, though. If she fails to go there, if they'd like take her somewhere else, we will issue a warrant. No more hair censorship. We want her to do this. Hopefully she will do it, but if she tries to play games again. Okay, yeah, I'm down with it for sure.
Thank you.
Okay, you got it. Thanks. So we will need to do a PR bond for her then. Oh, she left. Right, we'll have to process a PR bond for her. And then simultaneously, we'll have the release instructions that need to be filed that label her as a person to pick her up. The PR bond gets processed tomorrow, though, because they need to set a specific time, and it always takes a day to get it done. So she will get picked up. It'll be 2 p.m. tomorrow. So tell mom to expect, don't come today, because it's not going to happen. Hey, we lost Veronica? Veronica?
Oh, maybe she went to that, because it's 9 a.m. on there.
Yeah, I'll just.
Yeah. So, but usually it's the day after and at 2 p.m. I mean, if she's picking it up at 9 o'clock, maybe, I don't care. But I just don't know if that's enough time to.
Yeah, it's a little too early. I don't know. I mean, it's okay with me.
It takes a while to process it
Yeah, I got,
out.
see when she has, when she's able to pick her up.
Hey, oh, Veronica, hey, on Miss Hall, you know how we do the reentry program into the Harris Center? We're gonna do that. Mr. Bell is doing the paperwork. So we need to do his PR bond and then it works for tomorrow. They'll pick her up at 2 p.m. Instead of the Harris Center picking up though, it's mom is gonna pick her up. Mom will take her to the Harris Center. Once she goes there, all she has to do is the interview and then they'll end up dismissing the case. So that she's aware of what services they have. So, okay, all right.
One work on it, you know, I put mom or stepdad, because mom told me she got a first show and her license expired from one that she has.
I'm okay with whoever, as long as it gets done, right? But just let her know, we don't like to play games. Please go.
We'll do.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Bell. Appreciate
It's already in there.
it. I'd not.
So they got the case,
Just the last name of your client.
Holland.
What is it?
Holland,
Holland.
HOLLAND.
Okay,
This one, this guy had a time served in Harris County in 2024 DWI.
okay.
He picked up. He also had a Galveston County DWI, which he was on probation for.
He's on probation now for a DWI.
Yes, Your Honor. And then he picked up a Harris County DWI, which was in August. He hasn't been in court. He had new order to scram device, which he's had, which has been inactive since September. I just spoke to pre-trial.
Where is he now?
He's talking to his Galveston County lawyer on that.
Is there a warrant for his arrest?
He was picked up on a warrant and he bonded out of county on $15,000.
With us?
There's a different, I don't know which county.
We need to do some serious ass bond conditions then, man.
Yes, Your Honor.
Like he needs to come in.
I just
Yeah.
wanted to preface it.
Do you mind to go get?
We did get an offer from the state. I think he was talking about Plea today.
To what?
I got two offers.
Okay,
One is 30 days on a DWI two
I'm okay with that.
or a 2-year probation.
Whatever you want.
Okay,
I don't care.
okay.
Yeah, you make the decision.
I'll talk to him. I'll be
Okay.
right back.
Yeah, for sure. But if it doesn't plead today, I'm gonna put some, I'm loading him up with conditions and I'll have to.
Would that include? He does-
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Teamwork.
And it's like I try to.
What's up?
I don't have a plea. Just one.
How are you?
Hello.
You due for surgery?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'm just kidding. Rick,
We're gonna do, I'm about to do it. For me, but I'll be right in the middle. Thank you. Sorry, Judge.
how are you?
Doing well.
Happy Wednesday.
Happy hump day, Judge.
Happy hump day. Who's this gentleman?
Hernandez, Chan. DWI.
This is a true first? Sean?
Yes.
Got it. Mr. Hernandez, you are charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 1 day that you have done. You need to understand, this charge will go on your record. It will be there forever. From now on, you will be facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. Do you understand? What did I just say? From now on, you're facing a minimum of 30 days in jail for any new cases you pick up. You give up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change or undo this. Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow this agreement. I'm going to suspend your license for 90 days. Do not drive until you get a license. And good luck to you, sir. Okay, thanks. Thank you. You've got a really pretty signature.
Thanks, man.
It's a really pretty signature.
It'll be worth something with it.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Oh, thanks.
Thank you.
Rick,
Yeah, Judge, he accepts
What's up?
the offer. He accepts
Huh?
the offer. He does accept the offer, Judge.
that's okay.
He's-
What do you
he's
guys
ready-
want to do?
He's ready to do it, Judge. He's ready to plead.
He's ready to plea?
Yes.
Okay. Did you file, can you file the plea paperwork?
Yes, Judge.
That was on, Alpage.
Alfred.
Yeah.
I'll sign from here, Judge. He knows. I've gone through it with him already.
Have you explained to him the plea paperwork?
Yes, I have, Judge. He understands.
Okay. They're going to file it. As soon as we get it here, we'll bring him up to sign. Bye, Juan. Good to see you, man. Yeah, yeah, we wanted to do that.
Any other additional conditions?
No, that's it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, on Driggs, you put the deferred still. Want me to read it?
No, it's
Okay.
good.
Did I forget to sign something?
Well, on those, we did papers, jumping the all that.
Oh, you need me to unsign?
Yes.
All right, I'll just submit it.
Okay. We'll call them up as soon as they get it. Oh, which cost number, so I can put it in?
So I'm gonna bring. This is.
Yeah.
So you sign the one. I'm gonna delete that one. That's it.
Which one?
The deferred one. That's-
Yeah, I know, which,
You already signed the judgments on both of them. And we did both of those cases on papers.
do you need me to, which one do you need me to unsign?
I don't want you.
Oh, no, you don't need,
Yeah,
just
I-
sign this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. I thought you wanted me to
No,
sign
you're
something.
fine. Thank you.
Thanks. Hey, you want to go to the list?
I'm getting 17.
Uh-huh. Okay, 5,001 on each. Oh, no, 5,001 on manual. Who's in the emergency room?
Manuel,
How do you know?
he sent an email with, that he was in the hospital.
For what? That's a different manual.
That's a kid, his dad said he was in there with the kids.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great.
The visit was yesterday. That's not,
Not good enough, okay.
that's yesterday. That's not today.
Yeah, you're right. So how much did you say?
5,001.
Oh, right. And then 2 days.
So I was thinking maybe we could do it. I mean, that's.
Yes, 7. Okay.
On Martinez, under it, 10,002. No, I'm doing bail order. Whenever you guys are ready on Alpage, just,
Yes.
and then, is his client gonna plea as well?
Yes, sir.
Got it. So we got two more, I guess.
Holland,
Yeah, Holland too.
just waiting for the attorney to sign.
Yes, physical documents.
Okay, Victoria, who's next?
Page 31 was set for rain on Monday. We'll get for today.
So 2501. Is that it? Okay. Hey, what's up? You look so.
Yes. I had a question.
No way. Shayna passed away. Macchiati, she worked with Mike Monks. She got COVID. Do you remember who she is? She was like on death's bed at one point because of COVID. Knocked her out. And then I saw her at HEB.
Yeah. Alpage, that's like, so, we can add cases to permit, how about? And then, when you get serious on it, you know, so I'm just saying, talking more Yes. Good morning. I'm really happy, sorry, you want to have to send a vote, is that the agency there, and next is, I know that they come up. Someone else.
They were out of town. Yeah, full rest. Yeah, let's do maybe one. Follow me. Yeah, 30 seconds.
I think, that's a really,
We can't do it till Friday.
she tries to make it in the way that it's right, something
Oh, I see.
Is. That's all. I'm reading that right from her.
Morning.
Hey, what's up?
Hi.
What's the cause number?
South docket page 26,
Yeah.
15524, it's step 4 emergency tomorrow.
Okay.
Could we move it to Friday?
Yeah.
Okay.
One day?
Yeah, just one day.
Sure,
There's
of course.
scheduling.
Don't worry about it.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. Okay. Rick, you ready?
Yes,
Coming up.
yes, I'm ready.
Mr. Alpage, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement. They're offering you 3 days in jail with credit for the 5 days that you've done. You need to understand that this will reflect as a conviction on your record. It will be there for the rest of your life. From now on, you're facing a minimum of 30 days in jail for any new cases that you pick up. You understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront, cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. This is final today. It can never be undone. This is what you want to do. How do you plead to the offense of criminal trespass? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow the agreement, send it you to it. Good luck to you, sir. Please see the clerk. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Rick. Take care, man.
That's fine. Thank you, Judge. That's my last one ever, Judge.
We have one more.
You're going to the first board of elections, is right across the cafeteria. You have to acknowledge each of
Did the other one get reset? No, Alan's, no. Alan's case.
Oh, I don't know.
Soleimani,
But I don't see the defense, so maybe they're out there.
she gone.
Well, we scheduled her for 10:30 in a 2-hour slot. Maybe he ended up calling me.
He's on doctor, right?
Stella.
Okay.
Page 27. Is it almost with this one?
Let's dig up this one. Get the response.
Hey, have we done a TRAS on this yet?
No, the last one was in 2023.
I would like to do a new one, please, in light of everything that's happened. And I'm going to require Scram as well. Yeah, and let me tell you something. I need you to really let me know what the hell happens with everything, because he's got,
This last year, I was recommended, it's implemented, and I'm pretty sure this is. But I would.
I'm gonna let him know. How many DWIs does this gentleman have open right now?
Been judged, I'll check. He has a active deferred medicality.
Is that it?
And ours. He has a 2024 uncertain.
Did they file a motion? Did they file a motion to revoke over there?
Yes, it is. It's an application.
It's selected?
Yes.
Are you guys representing him out there?
We are not. Then Dell's office is, he just got off the phone with Jonathan Zendel. He's a gal. He was okay with everything. I was hoping, that we could resolve both, but they're like, well, he wants to do it.
What's it gonna take to get you to see the freaking picture, Mr. Holland? Are you gonna kill someone? DWI here. You're on deferred for DWI, and then you pick up a DWI here. You say no, but your actions say differently. Let me give you some perspective. I'm gonna follow whatever the TRAS says to do. And if they say inpatient treatment, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You were charged with driving while intoxicated. First offense, it's elevated to a Class A misdemeanor. You're facing a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. The agreement that you have worked out is 1 year in Harris County Jail to be probated for 2 years. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You will be required to do a TRAS. This is an evaluation to see what other conditions you may need. If they assess other conditions, you must fulfill them. There is a very big chance that they recommend substance abuse treatment facility, SATF. If they assess it, you will be required to do it. That is an inpatient treatment facility. Do you understand? I'm putting you on notice now. You will be required to do a repeat offender DWI education class, 2 victim impact panels, no drugs, no alcohol. You will be required to wear a scram bracelet while you're on probation. If you so much as have a lick of alcohol, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. I'm telling you now, because of how many DWIs you have open, I'm going to set the bond high, and we will have a hearing, and you will be looking at 365 days in jail.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And Judge, he's not eligible to drive. It should be a condition of probation that he should not be allowed to drive.
I'm just going to suspend his license for a year. No,
Okay.
you are not allowed to drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising you're not going to drive. If you do, I can have a contempt hearing every time you drive. It's punishable by 180 days in jail, and I can stack it. Do you understand? You are ordered not to refuse breath tests while you're on this probation. If for some reason you decide to get into a car and drive and you get pulled over, an officer asks you to submit a breath test, you must do it while you're on this probation. Do you understand? How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow this agreement. I'm going to sentence you to it. Like I said, you give up all these rights, the right to have a trial, right to compel witnesses, testify on your behalf, confront, cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, you can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. This is a done deal today, never changed. All right, we'll have you see the clerk. Good luck to you, sir. All right, thanks. Yep. Hi.
Good morning, Judge. Mr. Nolasco is doing his plea today.
Okay.
On October 14th.
Got it. You mind bringing him up? Hey, repeat offender.
Yes.
Yeah.
This will work.
Do they do a TRAS on this? The TRAS recommended silver court? All right. Mr. Nolasco, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. This now makes number 2. What happens on the next one? Right. 2 to 10 in the penitentiary. You are what, 19 years old? Can you imagine what the hell they would do to you in our Texas prison, Mr. Nolasco? I don't think you have any clue what they would do to your 110-pound butt in there. Ask around. It's not a pretty sight what happens in our Texas jails. They don't even get air conditioning. You understand? You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, there's no changes to this or undo this. Is this what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
As part of this agreement, you will be required to go into sober court. You will do a DWI, repeat offender education class. You have already done the TRAS, which recommended sober court, no drugs, alcohol. You must maintain a guardian interlockable with you. I'm going to suspend your license, so you must get a portable device. And 60 hours of community service. Is this how you understand the agreement? How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow the agreement. Good luck to you, sir. 1 year driver's license suspension. Yeah, okay. All right, Mr. Nolasco, good luck to you, sir. I'm going to suspend his, if you don't have a license and you get popped, they will create one for you. And we now are still going to suspend it regardless, so. Mr. Nolasco, let me impart to you one more thing. You will be signing an affidavit with me today, promising me you're not going to drive. I don't give a rat's behind what you're doing in this life. The worst possible thing you can do is drive. If you do, you understand? Okay. Did you need the interpreter anymore?
Yes.
What do you, I don't know if there's any Swahili speakers in the probation office.
I agree completely.
I mean,
The translation line, I don't know the name of it off the top of my head, but that's not what I did.
I mean, I'll even handle comprehension. I mean, I'll be comprehensive, having questions about that.
so why don't you set it, let's set it for an eval then.
So,
Yeah.
I want to certainly do that as well. It's a lot.
I would, I mean, if there's ever even a inkling of any kind of where he can't help you prepare a defense, then you need to do it.
Yes.
Just,
I'm concerned about immigration consequences, given that he's also from an African country. I can't confirm whether or not that's part of whatever's going on.
so I guess let's do this. Let's set it for a 30-day comp eval. In the interim, set him up with, at the MAC, someone that he can speak to about immigration. That way we can kill two birds with one stone within the next 30 days. Because I don't want to come back and then it's at 220 days and now we got to do another thing. You know, so set it for a comp. We do 30 days. We're going to order him to show up. He also, within that time, I set him up for eval. With,
yes.
You know, if you need money for an interpreter, just come to me and I'm happy to give you money. That way you can have an interpreter if the MAC doesn't have someone that can interpret in that dialect or whatnot. Okay, yeah, just file it and then I'll sign it for you.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
okay. Ms. Justina, do you want to talk to her again? That way you guys can discuss what's going to happen?
So Mr. Johnson?
No, with Mr. Soleimani,
Oh,
with the interpreter.
yes. Yes, I do.
You know,
I have her phone number, so I can call her.
right, it would be, you know, I'm going to let you go, Ms. Justina. It's going to be easy for him to just call you.
Yes,
And then
sir.
you guys can just speak on the phone instead of doing the breakout room. It's, okay? So
Yes,
I'm gonna
sir.
just let you go. They're gonna talk to you and just keep you on the line so that you can just help them finish up to reset the case and do what, okay?
Yes, sir. Can I just ask one question? I
Shoot.
can't see anyone on the screen. I was told.
I know, I have it covered up just so that others don't use it in a hurtful manner. That's why. I have
No,
it covered up on purpose.
that's fine. I was just asking permission. Screenshot as proof of what time I finished the interpretation.
I didn't understand what you saying.
I need to screenshot I was asking if I could screenshot, but I'm the only person that I can see anyway. I can't see anyone. But
Yeah,
I needed a screenshot of the time that I finished interpreting.
hey, what time do we have her until? We have you until 12:30.
Okay.
We booked you for 10:30 to 12:30. It's a 2-hour window. She has.
Okay. They
Okay.
just wanted proof that I was here, but it's okay. If I can't screenshot, that's fine. I'll just let them know that
Oh, she wants to screenshot, I guess, the order for whatever that we have her.
and I'm the only one that I can see. But if it's not possible, it's okay. I will let them know.
I mean, I have the email confirmation.
We have an email confirmation for you to be here.
Okay.
Do you want that?
This is.
They just wanted proof that I actually showed up and I interpreted and for how long.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So they want some kind of proof that she actually showed up and did the interpretation. I don't know. I don't know. I don't video the room just because out of an abundance of caution. So.
No, that's fine. I will let them know and I'm sure they'll understand. It's okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean,
tell
I can have Victoria reply to their email, saying that you were here if need be.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Good luck. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Take
very
care.
much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Let me see. I'm sorry.
Anything else?
The county doesn't for still a month.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about? The 10-day discovery.
Oh, hey, what about Johnson?
Your Honor, we brought the victim witness here for the state together. I don't know if they're still interviewing or not, but the state just asked me to give them up to me.
Well, we were set for a 10-day discovery hearing because they were missing evidence.
Yeah, so I have not received any notice.
Is there any evidence that's here or what are you missing?
Not sure, Judge. I pulled up though.
I think my side's good, but yeah, just talking to Chief and Six.
Is that the last thing? Anything that's not here, it's not coming in.
Okay. Yes, Judge, I mean.
Just whatever's not here, it's 200 days old. Hell no. Not just a no, it's a,
Absolutely.
yeah. All right. With that, we're done.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge.